Ulit na lang. Pagbutiin na natin.
Okay. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. And you should know that. I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're next to me. Said it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. Anytime after wasted all of our bridges burns out.
Your star was holding, ripped chin, skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. Where think you're
Now
going,
I'm
baby?
Payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where had the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah.
You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fault. You give me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal, half reciting it's real. I didn't know I could feel it, but it's in my way.
Wasted my nights, you turned off the lights. Now I'm paralyzed till second that time when we called you love, but even the sun set in paradise.
Where think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me, baby. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me,
Ever
baby.
after did exist, I was to be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I
Where think
received.
you're going, baby?
Before trying to go home, all of my change I spent on you.
So call
Where
me,
are the
baby.
times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
So
I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you.
So
Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
So
Happy ever after this. I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I received. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. So call me maybe. Yes!